everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a very cool 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Wicked cool car, guys. I bought this thing locally. Gentleman who's actually, he's bought a couple cars from me. He's a car guy. He actually bought this car, I think he said a little over a year ago, from an 81-year-old man who's owned this car for like 30 plus years. Wicked cool. It's tuxedo black with a black interior. Now, guys, this car has driver quality paint on it. Don't think that this is show paint. But it's a cool car and it's a fun car. And again, from 5 feet away, 10 feet away, it looks amazing. But when you get up on it, you can pick the paint. Great car. Really fun car to drive. But again, when you get up on it, you're gonna nitpick that paint on this car. But again, it's slick. He drove it to car shows, so don't feel like you can't stand tall next to it. It's a great car. It's just got old paint on it. They've replaced the bumpers. You can see the grill and everything. That stuff's original. Good quality. You want to talk about a great driving car. Nice and tight. Hits the road just great. It does have a crack in the windshield. We've got a new one on the way, but I just want to go ahead and get the video shot. I know people are already asking about this car. Everybody's anticipating this video, but really good car. Big block 396 underneath the hood with a healthy cam. Car was actually born a 4-speed. Like I say, the previous owner was like 81 years old, and he got to the point here a few years ago where he just couldn't shift it anymore, and he took it over to Baker's, which is a local repair shop here, and had them put an automatic trans in. And they did it just like it would have been from the factory. 400 trans. You just couldn't drive the 4-speed anymore. It's got 2.5-inch H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust. Sounds great. Nice and tight when you drive it. It doesn't rattle, doesn't shimmy, doesn't shake. I mean, hits the road great. Yeah, I just figured somebody would fall in love with this thing, man. And again, it's not, it's going to be priced to sell. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it with the correct SS rallies. And this is exactly like, people have heard me say that, I owned a 67 Satellite years ago. Probably the most fun I had in a car. And it had paint just like this. And I drove the heck out of that thing and just loved it. A little bit of a cammed up 396, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer intake. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes, 400 turbohydramatic trans, a little bit of a shift kit in it. They just said it shifts out real good. You can see it's got new power steering unit in it. Just a good looking car. And Brett really didn't have we just missed that. That's just little water spots, guys, if you're seeing that. He really didn't want to sell it. The only reason he sold this thing, I've got the new cowl vents coming for it too. The only reason he sold it is he was buying a condo in Florida. And he said he really hated to sell it. He just had so much fun driving it. And he's got another car. He said, man, this thing's just a blast to drive. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. I think most of this interior is actually original. Sill plates are original. I think it's only got 80-some thousand original miles on it. Factory bucket seats, center console. Somebody's loved this car. They've kept this car nice. You can see that steering wheel, original SS steering wheel's in great shape. Yeah, 88,574 is on your odometer. Tacking gauges, they all work. They put some aftermarket gauges underneath. Factory AM/FM radio works. The heater works. Yeah, it's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. It's got a 12-bolt 410 posse rear axle in it. How about that? An 81-year-old man driving a 410 posse, but it does come with the original 331 gear too. I think you said one of the quarters was changed. It must be the opposite one, because that's actually got the VIN still on this one. Floors are nice and clean. Factory jack with spares in there. Yeah, someone's gonna have a blast with this thing. Heck, that's my 66 C10 up there. Same kind of thing. You can pick the paint on it. I probably put 3,000 miles on that thing in the last year and a half. Fun to drive. Again, floors are nice and clean. It's got great sound. It's a nice little cam in it. Seats have definitely been redone. I mean, they were repadded and everything. They may not have been. I mean, that stuff looks original. Someone just kept real good care of this thing. Fun car, man. I think the door handles are really good. Yeah, nice little cam too. You can hear it working. Plenty of power. Tach works. All your gauges in there are working. No on the clock. The gauges down there works. It's holding good low pressure. Everything opens and closes nice. Backup lights work.
Indicator.com.
Again, AM/FM radio works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.